Hello everyone, my name is Nick and welcome back to Getting Social with Nick. Now for today's video, I'm going to show you something that a lot of people do not know about. I'm going to show you how to make your Instagram content searchable on a desktop. Now remember, all this stuff does not happen overnight. You do have to do a little research and find out the tools and process that works for you. Now making your Instagram content SEO friendly is tricky, but very doable. Now SEO stands for search engine optimization. It's basically trying to rank your stuff high on Google or Yahoo or Bing when someone searches something that is very similar to your content. So for example, used cars, if you type in used cars and your content is what pops up first, you have some really good SEO. Now, if you go to page 11 and you're all the way down there, you do not have such good SEO. Now, the key to making your Instagram content searchable is through alt text. Now, 99% of people do not know what alt text is. Now, alt text is automatically created for your post from Instagram, but normally it is not helpful. Alt text is what is indexed and searchable through Google. So using this tool, you get a lot more eyeballs on your content and your stuff can pop up when you search it on Google. Come on, did you even think that was possible? Now there's two different ways to do this. The first way is to do it before you upload a feed post. Now when you get to the final upload page, at the bottom, there is advanced settings. Now you're gonna click advanced settings and then you're gonna click write alt text. Now you have a 100 character limit, but this is where you're gonna add your search terms. A good exercise to do is if you were searching for your content, what would you type in? And whatever you would type in, add that into the alt text. There's also a lot of different tools that you could use, like there's Google Keyword Planner, there's Google Trends, there's keywordtoolplanner.io, I believe it's called. I'll put it right there. And definitely check them out when writing your alt text. Then after you finish, you just post as normal, and then that alt text will get indexed by Google. Now the second way to do this is after you've already uploaded a feed post, you go to edit the post, and at the bottom you can tag people and then also edit the alt text. And then the exact same process of what you would write applies to here. You're just doing it after the fact. Now let's go over the main points. Always put the text that you would search to get to your content first. Then next, you're gonna go to the keyword tool. Whether it's Google's, whether it's Google Trends, or whether it's anything else, find related keywords. You're also working with a 100 character limit. You do not need any hashtags. Do not do free, giveaway, all that nonsense. You do not want to be tagged as spammer. Now you should be doing this for all of your posts. Having your content searchable online is fantastic. You get a whole bunch of more eyeballs on your stuff. All right, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, make sure to throw them in the comment section down below. I'll be answering everything. If you like this video and you want to see more like this, make sure to like and subscribe. I appreciate you, and I'll see you next time. Peace.